Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Current Sydney. I got this Porsche Macan turbo that we showed earlier on a different video on the coolant leak from the pipes. So now we just finished cleaning up the intake manifold. As you can look, this is the intake manifold now. Bank 1 and this is bank 2. Nice, and all the carbon's been taken out, and now we're ready to actually clean that part there and clean that part there and put the new coolant hose underneath and start build everything up from this side here onwards, and then the intake manifold last. And we already cranked it already. We took the spark plugs out and cranked it without the fuel pump fuse. We took the fuel pump fuse out and actually cranked the actual engine up without the actual fuel, with the fuel disconnected, so nothing was going in the engine, just air. So make sure anything that we clean have to come out for the spark plug hole. And after this, we're going to clean it up and then pretty much put everything back together. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.